Right, folks, I want your help in dating this guitar, or at least telling me whether it's a genuine Fender guitar or not. Now, interesting things about it. The headstock logo would suggest 66, I think, or 67. The tuners are not right. They should be Cloisons, and they're not the right shape. And if they were genuine Cloisons, they'd have Cloison or Fender stamped on them. This bridge isn't right, or isn't standard anyway. Nearly all Fender Telecasters of this period had string-through bodies. This hasn't got a string-through. I mean, it is conceivable that this is just something that they did when they were messing around when CBS took over. Also, the plate isn't stamped Fender, and so that's a bit concerning. When I took out the electrics to replace them, it's this plastic rubbish. So small pots and plastic switch. That's typical of Japanese or Korean stuff, but you know, that could be stuff that was replacing the original stuff. I mean, this is 55 years old we're looking at, possibly. The reason why I'm saying 55 years old is because we've got the headstock logo dating it 66 or 67, and on the back of the neck, on the back of the neck plate, which has a serial number which dates it at 66/67. On the back of this plate, there's a little bit of masking tape with the date January 65. Now, of course, what happened a lot was that they would make one bit of the guitar, and then they'd make the other bit of the guitar, and some bits are sitting around the factory for quite a long time, so it's conceivable this neck was made in 65, and then the logo was put on a bit later, and the body was a bit later, and this is just something they were trying out. I mean, it does look quite old. It looks like it might be sort of that kind of age, judging by the patina. Anyway, I want your help, so tell me what you think about this guitar and whether it is a genuine Fender, and if you think it is, when you think it's likely to have been made.